So exercises especially for Ken for hip work. So what you're starting off with is just the idea that your hip is a wheel and the center of your spine is like the chassis of a car that's going to stay still. So the wheel of my right hip is rolling out as straight as I can get it, trying to feel that I've really stretched open the front of the hip joint, and then you wheel that wheel back in again. So you're rolling your wheel out, stretching the front of your hip, and then you're rolling your wheel back in. That's one movement. You can also practice rolling the wheel out to the side and rolling the wheel back into the center. Again, being mindful that the chassis of your body, your spine doesn't move and your left wheel doesn't move. Right wheel is rolling out, right wheel is rolling in. And then the other movement we're going to do in lying on your back is rolling the wheel up towards you, and you can feel how it turns in its socket and it rolls back down. Again, I'm not moving the rest of my body, it's staying really still. So I suggest you do that on both sides so that your left leg gets the movement and your right wheel has to stay anchored. So then we have the lying on our side exercise. So I'll do it with my left leg, but you'll be doing it with both legs. So your wheel here is going to turn down at the back, and when that happens, my leg twists outwards. So your thigh bone has two ends, the hip and the knee. It's not lifting your knee that you're after, it's the wheel at the back of your hip that's turning downwards. And when that happens, you'll feel your buttock muscle working to twist your hip joint. So again, you can do that on both sides. Then we also have exercising your foot. The movement you're going to be doing is just bending at the big toe and the ankle joint, so it's that action, but you'll be doing it with your foot on the floor. So you're just doing this up and down action, just really trying to feel that you get that push off into the big toe, which is going to be really important for you for walking. And then you can also practice just turning your ankle in and out and getting that motion of the joint in both directions there. And then the last thing we talked about is this feeling of being able to stand really upright. The fronts of your hips open, your back is straight, your front of your hip opens, and if you can find something to reach up towards that you can touch, you're practicing pushing your arms up, lengthening your torso and opening out your hips.